Daily Quran Reflection, Surah At-Tawbah, Surah 9, verse 13. Sometimes fear holds us back from standing for truth, from correcting wrong, from trusting Allah fully. But this verse shakes the heart and reminds us who truly deserves our fear. Verse 13, Sahih International. Would you not fight a people who broke their oaths and determined to expel the messenger, and they had begun the attack upon you the first time? Do you fear them? But Allah has more right that you should fear Him if you are truly believers. Tafsir Summary, Ibn Kathir plus Jalalain. This verse addresses those hesitant to stand firm against those who violated treaties and opposed the Prophet. Ibn Kathir explains that these people initiated hostility and betrayal, making confrontation justified. Jalalain emphasizes that fearing such people is misplaced. True believers should prioritize khawf Allah, fear of Allah, above all else, because He controls all outcomes. Reflection. This verse goes beyond a historical moment. It speaks directly to our daily struggles. How often do we fear people's opinions more than Allah's judgment? We stay silent when we should speak truth. We compromise our values to fit in, and we hesitate to do al-khair because of others. But Allah reminds us, if your faith is real, your qalb should be anchored in Him, not in a nas. When you fear Allah, everything else becomes smaller. The anxiety of people's reactions fades, and courage begins to grow. True strength is not loud, it is the quiet certainty that Allah is with you. Practical takeaway. Today, choose one moment where you act for Allah, not for people. Speak truth, avoid a sin, or stand firm in your values. Closing. Reminder. The one who fears Allah gains inner peace, even in the middle of fear. Dua. O Allah, purify our hearts from fearing anyone more than You, and grant us strength to stand firm in truth. Ameen. If this reflection touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily reminders.